In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wise debit card overseas. If you're traveling and need to pay for a hotel, a ride, or an online booking in another country, your Wise card can make that smooth and cost-effective. I'll walk you through the exact flow in the Wise app and share a few tips so you can pay confidently while abroad. Start by opening the Wise app on your phone and heading straight to the card section. This is where everything related to your card lives, and it's the quickest way to access the details you need when you're on the go. Next, choose which card you'd like to use, your physical card or your digital card. The physical card is the plastic one you carry with you, ideal for in-store payments and ATMs. The digital card lives in the app and is perfect for online purchases, bookings, or any time you don't want to expose your physical card details. Many travelers prefer the digital card for extra security, especially on unfamiliar websites or shared computers. Once you've selected the card, tap Card Details. This is where you'll find the card number, expiry date, and security code that most merchants ask for at checkout. The app protects this information, so you'll be asked to enter your password to unlock it. Type your password privately and avoid doing this on public Wi-Fi when possible. If you're in a busy place, take a moment to shield your screen. When the details are visible, copy them carefully. Paste the number, expiry date, and security code into the merchant's checkout form, and make sure the information matches exactly. If you're offered a choice of currency, select the local currency of the country you're paying in. This helps you avoid poor exchange rates from dynamic currency conversion and lets Wise handle the conversion at its competitive rate. Double check that the billing address fields are correct and that the website is secure before you confirm. A few quick tips as you pay: keep your clipboard clean after pasting sensitive information, don't save card details on shared devices, and only enter your card details on trusted, encrypted sites. If a payment is declined, it's often a simple mismatch in address or security code, so review each field carefully and try again. That's all there is to it. Open cards, choose your physical or digital card, tap Card Details, enter your password, then copy those details to complete your payment. With these steps, you can pay overseas confidently and keep your information safe while you travel.